In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your ignition coils. I'm only going to show you one because the process for all four will be the same. Let's get started. To start, we have to remove the engine cover, for which you can use a 10mm socket and remove the two mounting nuts. This one came off with the stud. That's fine. That happens sometimes. Just pull the engine cover up and out. And with that out, you can see all of your ignition coils here. And as I said, the process is the same for all of them, so I'm only going to show you one of them. To start, let's unplug it. Press on the tab here. Sometimes these break, so just be careful when you do that. And if it does break, just make sure you resecure it properly when the time comes. 10mm socket, remove this bolt. And now you can pull your ignition coil straight up and out. There it is. When it comes to reinstallation, I like to put some silicone paste inside the boot of the ignition coil. This will do two things. One, it'll allow the boot to easily slide on, and it will allow it not to get stuck after a while when you go to remove it to replace either this or the spark plug in the future, and it will prevent water from making its way in here and causing corrosion. Now don't put a lot, because if you put too much, it will actually completely prevent the connection from being made there. Drop it down into the cylinder, make sure it's facing the right way, and make sure it goes all the way down. Take your bolt, put it back in here, and we'll bottom it out. I'm going to use my ratchet to snug it up, that way I make sure I don't over tighten it. Once it bottoms out, just give it not even 1/8 of a turn, and it should be good. Reconnect it, and now you would repeat the process for the other ignition coils. Now let's just put the engine cover right back, make sure it lines up with both of the studs, and put the mounting nuts back on, tighten it up. There you go, take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.